this on?
You press the on button. Are you trying to talk to Watsy?
Yeah.
Cass, you need to get both walkie-talkies first. This is the on button here.
I'm trying to... Yes, yeah.
You have to make sure both of them are switched on though. You might not have switched Watsy's on, did you?
Let's just wait for the seed.
We're doing a thing to Watsy.
Wait a minute.
That's a really good idea. You're very sensible. He's not barking, so that's okay.
I wanted to check if the video turned off or not.
What are you doing?
Waiting for Watson to bark.
Okay.
He isn't barking.
Right.
Watsy. Oh. Let's go and look. No, Watsy, are you okay? No, Lucy, I'm coming for you. No, Lucy, I'm coming for you. What? Oh, can you hear me?
Hello, Roxy, your bro is here.
Oh, what she loves me so much. Do my stretch now, honey.
Wissy, can you hear me?
I bet you can, but you can't reply.
Of course, you are a dog. Oh. YouTubers, if Watson comes close, you had better subscribe. All YouTubers, if we take Watson out for a walk, you had better subscribe. Wow, Watsy, you're so good. You didn't do any barking.
Because he can hear his bro. He loves hearing your voice. He loves you. Oh. Maybe you're soothing him. What's
Now it's time for some relaxing music.
not too loud because it's not very early then. Oh, then it's not relaxing.
If the music stops, guys, you had better subscribe. The music's still going. If it finishes, you had better subscribe. The music has stopped. You had better subscribe.
So that's perfect.
Later. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.